Hello Makanku lovers! There are 4 different ways to serve Makanku side dish jar. Serve directly, using microwave, boiled, and steam. Remove the plastic cover. Open the package. Serve directly. Open the jar package. Be careful while open the package. Put the dish sufficiently on the top of the rice. Close the package so you may enjoy the food at your preferred time. Microwave. Open the jar package carefully. Put the dish on the plate. Now put it into the microwave. Set on the high temperature for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take out the dish carefully. Makanku ready to serve. Boil. Boil the water. Put the package into the boiling water. Boil for about 10 minutes until done. Take them all and let it cool in room temperature. Steam. Boil the water. Steam the package inside the steamer. Steam for 10 minutes. Take out the package and let it cool in a room temperature. Open the package seal. Makanku side dish ready for you. You may choose one of the methods to serve Makanku side dish jar. Makanku, modern, ready to eat, healthy food.